have your hands out. You're not gonna get nothing. Put your hands up. Ready?
Camping to Connect is an experiential learning and mentorship initiative for young men from New York's underserved communities. Granted special access to operate on Governor's Island, Camping to Connect offers mentorship, pair bonding, fitness, and personal reflection via the overnight camping experience.
When we were in school, everybody didn't really care about each other. We just be on our phones and like on the camping trip. We basically was creating our own music.
We all got like to see, not necessarily be funny, but be goofy, like be ourselves. We was at that campfire, it really felt like a family atmosphere. I come from the projects, and there's not like a good environment. You know, there's a lot of gang violence, a lot of drugs and stuff.
It was like a big bonding we had. We shared stuff to each other. It was just like a big brotherhood we felt, like a family.
Governor's Island Scavenger Hunt. Your team will have 70 minutes from the time you leave the starting point to return with as many answers to the questions below. I had to challenge my attributes as a leader as well as being a good listener. Everybody has their different strengths and their different weaknesses. But the thing is, if you come together as a collaborative and you can accomplish anything much faster.
I learned that I'm actually useful. I'm not just doing what everybody else is doing.
Respect yourselves, respect the people around you.
I feel like I just want to say thank you because, you know, y'all helped me realize how much more potential I actually have. You know, shout out to y'all.
I got it. I never crossed out so much stuff on my bucket list in just one weekend. I went camping. I had my first s'more. I ate crickets. Yeah.
That experience right there was an experience that nobody in their mind could ever forget.